guys, it's Hinty Fertala. Today I'm gonna do multiplication. Let's start with 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 10. Next, by 2's. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Next is by 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9.
Yeah.
3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 7, is it 8? 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. Next, by 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 46. 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. Next, by 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. Right? 40. 5 times 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. Now, by skipping numbers by 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 28.
Four.
4. Sorry. It's wrong. 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 7. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 40.
36, 42.
42. 6 times 8 equals 48. Right, Mom? You spit in the shirt. Okay. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. Next, skipping numbers by 7. Skipping numbers by 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 20, 24. 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 6 times
7 times 6.
7 times 6 equals 42. 6 times
7 times 7.
7 times 7 equals 29.
Oh, 49.
49. 7 times 8 equals
7, 14. You do it. 50.
56, 60.
7 times 9, 60.
7 times 9 equals 63.
7 times 10.
7 times 10 equals 70. Next.
Oh, you do it 7, 14.
Okay, now I'm gonna do
7, 14.
Wait. Now I'm gonna do it like this. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 62, 63, 70.
Oh, 8.
Okay, skipping numbers by 8. Oh, that's easy, my favorite. Okay, let's start. Okay, move a little bit first. Okay, 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 7 equals 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80.
About 9.
I don't know.
Oh, 10. 10. 10 times 1.
10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. Thank you for watching me for my skipping numbers by everything. Love you.